Oh my.
Yep. Come on.
Go ahead.
You can just walk right up to that table.
Oh, look, beautiful. So
You can probably walk right over there. Grace is coming.
You sit right here. There you go.
Now stand right there. Perfect. You did good. There you go. Can you smile? There you go.
Oh. Yeah, that one grandkid at the wedding.
Okay. The minister's going to talk.
Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to bring one cat and one dog together in holy matrimony. Oh, it's okay if the cat gets married. Still gonna love you.
That's all right. Let it.
Alright. Okay, I guess we're here where the dog may kiss the cat.
What did you pronounce them?
Oh, I pronounce you dog and cat.
Okay, make some noises. Here's your bubble. More around the pool.
around the pool's open.
Around the pool. The minister can carry the basket. Or does the one of the bridesmaids want to carry the basket?
I want to go like this. Someone hold the other side.
She's got her hands full.
You want to let go of this, or do you want to let go of the flowers? Okay. All right, help her carry it and walk around the pool.
There we go.
Yeah, hold it.
That tells me something good.
Yeah, that's
Watch your step.
What do you got?
Here.
We're fighting through.
Little bubbles, sit right here.